Fellas, vet these females properly before you have kids with them. This ain't no joke, I tell you. Take a listen.
My baby has a fever. He had a fever of 104, and I took him to the ER. Both of these cars are mine, and I told my husband to bring me my son. He told me he got it. He's taking him to the doctor. I have his medicine in the car. He needs to be on these antibiotics. He has thrush in his mouth. He's had a fever over a week. He told me he got him. No, you don't. I told him I'm calling the police. He said he on his way here, but when I get here, it's a whole lot.
Ms. Blakely.
You got any weapons on you? That's why we're here.
Yeah, Ms. Blakely, did you not come here about an hour ago?
I did come here an hour
How did you come? What was the situation when you came here an hour ago?
to get my son.
What did you do when you came here about an hour ago?
Snatched the door open.
You snatched a closed, locked door open, and what else?
That's it.
That's all you did?
Knocked on the door, no doorbell. I called before I came. He said, okay, call me when you get there.
Ms. Blakely, did you brandish a weapon when you entered, snatched open the back door?
Did I brandish a weapon?
Did you have a weapon in your hand, waving it around?
No.
Absolutely you did. We
No
have a video of you with the weapon not being on the door and you waving it around.
I just want my son.
We understand that, but you cannot go by coming into somebody's home, snatching open their
This is
doors.
my home.
It doesn't matter who home it is. People are in that home that you was trying to get to.
Let him tell it nobody's in the house.
Okay. Well, you was knocking on the door, so you thought someone was in there. You just told me his mistress is in there.
That's what I'm assuming, but he told me that's not so.
Why did you have the gun? What was the purpose of the gun?
What was the purpose of having a gun?
Waving the gun around and carrying it in?
If I had a gun, I don't know this girl. It's been an exchange of words, and if y'all playing with my son, I called her respectfully. My baby is sick. He needs his antibodies. Do you have him? No reply. I called Matthew. Matthew, where's low? I got him. He's good. Okay, we don't have his medicine, so he's not good.
Let's get back to the gun part. What was the purpose of the gun?
There was no purpose on no gun. I don't know what you're talking about.
We saw it.
I don't. I just want my kid.
Okay. Turn over your hand.
So now I'm going to jail.
Well, whether we like it or not, this is all that is available in 2025. You see, many of these females may even have good character, but they are damaged inside. Many will have 4, 5, 6 men laying with them at the same time. You just have to be very careful out there, fellas. It ain't funny anymore.
Yeah.
You're literally funny. You're literally funny. You wanna know why?
Why? What'd you just do? You just canceled the ride.
No, I didn't.
Why did you do that?
Because I didn't do nothing. That's why.
And you just took off your seatbelt.
Because I wanted to, because I can. Thank you very much.
You're trying to get a free ride. You know what? Are you trying to get a free ride out of me?
No, just take me home, please. Thank
You know where I'm going to take you? To the police station. There's one right around the corner. That's where you belong.
Why would you take me to the police station?
Because you're trying to scam me for a free ride.
No one's trying to scam you.
You are. You just
No, I'm
canceled
not.
the ride in the middle of the
Take me
ride.
to the police station.
We literally, this is like a $30 ride. Like, I was gonna pay my grocery bills with this.
Bruh, you cannot take me to the police station. Please just take me home. It's literally around the corner.
I'm dropping you off at the police station. It's right up here. It's right up here.
No, you don't need to do that. Thank you. And my house is over there, so keep going straight.
Hi, where's everybody else at? They're
Inside.
inside? Okay. What's going on?
So, I came, we had plans to me and my boyfriend to see each other. So, as soon as he come into the car, you know, he has aggression in him because he got upset about something earlier. And then I told him to get out of my car because he grabbed my phone and I literally had to fight him to get it. He bucked at me and then he did this to me, acting like he was gonna punch me. And then when I told him to get out of my car, he got his foot and he broke my windshield.
Are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
No, this is my under my dad's name.
Where's your dad at?
So he's home. At
Hey, how you doing?
Hey.
Yeah. Okay. No matter what's wrong with the windshield, if she has to pay, I'm gonna pay. I want to say something, sir. I don't want her coming here no more. You know, because always when she comes in, so many trouble. Okay, she's my son, ex-girlfriend now. Okay, it's like a boyfriend girlfriend. That's just too much. Since we was living in another apartment, she make the move. Be honest.
Ma'am, where's your son at? Where's your son at?
He's
not here. Okay. He's an adult, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll make it clear that if you and your son live here, that she doesn't need to come back here. But we need to talk to your son and figure out why this happened. Okay.
Okay, hold on.
scan.
You mind getting her info for me? Sure. You must sit back there with Officer Chatham, Corporal Chatham.
Do you have your ID with you?
I do.
Okay.
Oh no, my keys in my car. No.
They're locked in there? There you go. Okay. All right.
I've had oh my key.
I'm having to go ahead and log this tag to the call.
That's temp tag.
36.
36. Can you go ahead and log that tag?
Papa 395-9622. My call, please.
Okay. Come on down here. Is that the gentleman?
Yes.
Okay.
Stand by. I'll get to you in a second.
How you doing, sir?
What's going on, man? What's going on there?
So basically, she came to my house, wanted to see me, fix things, I guess.
Yeah, we have some issues.
Yeah, we've been having some issues lately, so she came over to see me, I guess, and kind of got into a little argument.
All right. What was the argument about?
I was happily getting out my car. She broke my glasses, so I was trying to find them.
What was the whole argument about?
It was basically about this other girl.
Oh, well, we're here now. How long have we been together?
Almost 2 years.
2 years? Okay. I got it documented, all right? How old are you?
19.
19? All right, man. You're an adult, all right? I got to figure all this out. So what was the argument about?
So it was, just a couple of days ago, she found a girl on my phone that I was involved myself with.
Yeah.
But she's mad because we were broken up around this time. So when I was involved myself with another girl, it wasn't behind her back or, anything.
You're on a break.
Yeah, we was just on a break. So I'm guessing just like 2 days ago, maybe she just called the girl named my phone, and we've been kind of going back and forth. I've been, trying to explain to her it's not like that. You were single, I was single.
Yeah. Trying to.
Yeah, but
Get that. And then that turned it. That was today.
yeah.
Okay. What transpired inside the vehicle for the windshield to get broken and your glasses to get broken?
So basically, we were just talking about the whole situation, and she got mad because I kept trying to let me tell her that I was single, and she doesn't like that. So she grabbed my glasses. She broke them.
How'd she break them? What'd she do and break them?
She hit me. She hit me first, but then when my glasses flew on her side, I tried to grab them, but she grabbed them first and she twisted them. And I'm half blind without my glasses, so I can't really see. So basically, then she tells me to get out her car, and
You got out when inside?
yes, sir. But in the meanwhile of all that, I guess my elbow hit the glass and that happened, which wasn't meant for it to happen, but
And while you're getting out, your elbow hit.
yeah. Well, when I was trying to reach for my glasses,
Oh, what you're saying?
I was trying to hurry up and get them before she got a hold of them.
Y'all ever live together?
Yes, sir, we have in the past.
How long ago was that?
I would say maybe 8 months ago, 6. I don't know.
6 to 8? Okay. How long did you live together?
It was for about 3, 4 months, maybe 5.
3 to 5 months?
Yeah.
And y'all been together for about, 2 years now?
And whenever the windshield broke, I tried to explain to her, I tried to apologize, and tell her I'll fix it. But she didn't want to listen. She called you guys like that.
Yeah.
He's so
Where are you staying at now?
I live in
Okay. Is it
same address on my
Sorry.
Yeah.
Anything like this ever happened before?
Yes, we've had multiple cases, domestic cases. He is actually banned from my house for 3 years after putting his hands on me.
Okay.
We have the report and everything in my house.
Okay. Was he ever arrested for it?
Yes. At my old job, he punched someone in the face and he got arrested for that.
Not just that, I mean the domestic.
Oh, no.
No, okay. I asked you before if you lived together already. You said you lived together for, what,
Just
a month? That was a year ago?
Yeah.
Okay. You share any children? Okay. Step out of the room. I don't want anyone to hit you. Kind of got the road blocked up a little bit.
Is that he's going to pay for the windshield, right?
I mean, here's the thing. Okay. As far as the windshield getting replaced, that's not something I can dictate. That's between you, him, and possibly the courts. Okay.
No, but like I'm saying, like you can get his insurance, and that with insurance will do that, cover it, right?
His car insurance?
Yeah.
No. His car insurance, no, that car insurance covers vehicle to vehicle. It doesn't cover an individual damaging a vehicle. Car insurance doesn't work that way. He'd have to come out of pocket to pay that.
So what is the point of calling the police if there's nothing I could do about my windshield? I mean,
Well, there's something that can be done about the situation.
Really
We're going to get your information. If we can find probable cause to make an arrest, we're going to do that because this is a domestic situation. Now, as far as restitution goes, that's not something that we can enforce. I can't force someone
but
to...
I assume that's why I called, so we could just file a report and get that windshield fixed.
Okay.
Because
This is domestic violence. Still, just because you weren't hit, it's still domestic violence. I'm not going to lecture you. Okay. How old are you?
19, sir.
19. All right. You got a job?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I tried to explain to her that all we have to do is go to the windshield place, they replace it, I'll pay for it,
Okay.
But she didn't want to listen. She wanted to freak out. Like it couldn't be solved, I guess.
Well, I think she's under a misconception thinking that your car insurance would fix it. And the car insurance doesn't work that way.
I can pay, sir.
I understand that as far as the window getting fixed. Just someone misunderstood the idea of how vehicle insurance works, thinking that his vehicle insurance would cover the cost of damages to her car, but no, it doesn't work that way. Unfortunately, insurance companies don't work that way.
Yeah, we don't.
So.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm his mom.
I understand.
But that car, you see that car like that? Because she got a lot of damage on that car too. She used to That's how I don't want I told him, I don't want her no more here. I don't want, because we
I think that's great advice.
Exactly.
I do too.
I don't want,
I think-
because she do the most, she used to hit.
Okay, and I'm not saying that as like someone's going to come back here. If we come back here, we're going to lock someone up. I mean, one of you is going to put yourself in a position that you're going to be arrested and, yeah, getting a DUI or getting shoplifting or something like that, getting arrested for a misdemeanor charge ain't that big a deal. But domestic violence stuff,
That's pretty big.
it's not a felony. It can be at times, but most of the times it's not. It's still a nasty charge to have to sit there and explain when you want to apply for a job or you want to get something.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Ashley.
he needs to get away from my car.
Ashley, we were doing an investigation.
Get away from my car. He needs to get away from my car.
You set the car alarm off? You.
He needs to get away from my car. He needs to get away from my car.
Ashley, what did I say? He's not going to touch your car while I'm standing here.
But he's near my Mustang. I don't want him to be near. Can he just stand like over
He's
there?
also standing on the sidewalk in front of his
Can
house.
he stay over there, please? Can he near my car? Can he park my car right there?
You can stay right there. He's going to stay right here. Just breathe.
I understand, but he's not near my car whatsoever.
Okay, he's not going to hurt your car.
I know he's not, but I don't want him near my car at all.
Unfortunately, we don't always get what we want. That's life.
I'm just gonna move my car.
Don't move your car.
I'm just gonna move my car.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you right now. Don't.
I'm just gonna
That's
move
not
my
an
car.
ask. That's not a question or a request. Do not move your vehicle.
I don't want him him near my car at all.
He's not going to touch your car.
This Mustang that I pay for, I don't want him near it.
I thought your dad bought it.
No, he bought it under his name, but I make payments to it.
Okay. Well, he's not going to touch your car. All right.
He better not. He better not touch my car.
Ashley, you need to go back over there to the grass.
I offer to pay.
During the investigation, officers discovered that Ashley had an outstanding warrant from another police department related to a charge of battery in a domestic violence case.
Come here. Come here, Ashley. Go stand over here.
Right here next to my car.
Come stand over here for right now. Okay.
I just want to stay near my car. This is my big.
Okay, I get that. I get that. Oh, this.
Can
Can you text me? This is my cell phone number. You can text me the phone number. I'm busy dealing with
I
her.
just want to be near my car. This is the
All right.
only thing that makes me happy.
Okay. Yeah, 67 for 28. Who? Merck.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
I just contacted them and they said, yeah.
Where? Cooler. Okay. Wow.
And it's 28, so.
Her?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Yes.
All right. Well, shit.
All right, and then we'll figure this out.
Okay.
All right, so right now you put your hands behind your back. Give a warrant for your arrest for battery DVA.
That's not through our jurisdiction. That's just in the system. Another police department put a warrant in for her arrest.
I was supposed to go to court for my family on January, though.